Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a weekly plan with me, but before we get into that, I wanted to show you July's sticker kit that's going out to all of my Patreon members, anyone who is a member of the Tom Squad. This one is headed out to you this particular week, and it is for the month of July. If you are not a Patreon member and you want to become a part of the Tom Squad, then you can definitely check out the link in the description box. It is $10 a month, and you always get a monthly sticker kit from me. So here we go. This is July's sticker kit. The first thing that you're going to get is the budget dots that I used in my July budget with me video. I know that a couple of the Patreon members did request that this be in the Tom Squad packet for the month of July. So of course, I am definitely going to give you as you wish. And so this one will be the first sticker set that you get in the July packet. The next thing that you're gonna get is some shopping bags. These are some shopping stickers that you can just use as little shopping sticker icons. I thought they were super cute, and so I wanted to add them to this month's sticker kit. So you're gonna get a set of these. And this week's sticker kit that I'm actually gonna be using to decorate this week is also what you're going to get in the July kit, and it is the Hello Kitty sticker kit from my shop. This one's brand new. I am going to add it to the shop. It should be up there by tomorrow, by Thursday. But what you get is you have some boxes along with some circle icons. You have the Hello Gorgeous sticker here. You also have some header stickers that today, to do, to clean, to buy, remember, work, school this week, happy meal, exercise next week, YouTube, Instagram, weekly goals, currently reading, and canceled sticker, along with a strip of washi. You have some boxes, some to-do list boxes, and you also have another strip of washi. So there are 2 strips of washis that come with this sticker kit, along with your date headers, and you also have some other colorful dots and some additional stickers down here, and you have 8 full boxes. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using in order to decorate this this week. And if you are a Patreon member, then you have this entire set headed your way. You should have it by the beginning of next week. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys know, I have been really trying to catch up ever since last week when I went out of town or had to evacuate because of Hurricane Barry. Ever since then, I have been really just trying to catch everything up with my orders from my shop and with my planning and my video schedule and everything. It's been really off, but I believe after this week, I should be back on track. So this is kind of how last week came out. I did fall off a little bit toward the end of the week because Saturday was super busy with errands and a whole bunch of other stuff, and I had an event for work, so that pretty much took up my entire weekend. So now we're about to just start into a brand new week. Once again, I am planning toward the middle of the week, so I'm going to be doing a bit of back planning. On Monday, it was my husband's birthday, so I will be back planning that day, and today is Tuesday, so then that will start all of the forward looking planning. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so on Monday, since it was my husband's birthday, I still had to add a list because I did do a couple of things, but for the most part, we spent it just celebrating him, but it was more of a relaxing day. So I just am going to mark off his birthday and mark off our date where we ended up going to Houston's for lunch. And then we spent some family time, and I ended up doing a couple of other things for work. So I'm gonna jot all of that down there. And now I'm gonna move over to Tuesday. Okay, so I feel this is it for the actual spread. Now I'm going to do my half sheets because I still have my washi tape left and I still have a bunch of headers. I used all my full boxes, but I do have some additional stickers here. So you know I like to use as many stickers as I possibly can. So I'm going to decorate my half sheets now. Okay, so this is the finished spread. As you can see, I've already laid out all of the stickers on my spread, and I just finished my half sheets, which my half sheets I have been kind of substituting for my additional planners. I have been so incredibly busy, guys, that I have not really had the time to plan in my other planners. I've been mainly using one planner for about the past 2 weeks right now, just because it's been so much going on that I just haven't had time to lay out stickers on the other ones. So I am using one half sheet for as far as all of the stuff for my business. This is my YouTube post that I'm going to add here, my Instagram post down here, and then on the back, anything that I need to do in regards to my business. Like I know I'm going to have to send out all of the Patreon kits for this particular week for anyone who's a part of the Time Squad. So I'm going to add all of that here along with video ideas and other things like that. On the other sheet, I have my weekly goals. This is anything that I want to accomplish for the week. I have additional things that I need to do for work. And then on the back, I am keeping track of my health, as long as with my exercise and my current weight. Now I'm going to jot everything down that I know that is coming up. And I do have my sticky notes here that I kind of took notes on prior to let me know everything that I have going on in this week. So now I'm just going to transfer all of the information that's on the sticky notes to the actual spread. Okay, so that's it for this spread, and I really enjoyed how this one came out. I feel like I say that every single week, but I love to plan so much. I love laying out all of the stickers and seeing how everything comes together. So I don't think that there's a week that I won't say that. This is how it looks now that everything is down, and I love it. It's very colorful and very much a lot of stickers, but I wanted to use as many as I possibly could on this spread, and I think I have succeeded with that, and still having a little bit of white space so that I can plan accurately. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to head over and follow me on Instagram at The Organized Money, and I will see you in the next video. Keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.